Hello dear students, this is the first revision video of this week, and before examination I would like to discuss these topics because these topics are very important. That's why I would like to discuss these topics. First topic is introduction to flowchart. Second is constructing flowcharts. Third one is advantages of a flowchart, and fourth topic which I will discuss, that is a Java program to find the area of a circle. Its whose radius is 5, and you can take the value of pi equals to 3.14. So let us come to the first topic, that is introduction to flowchart. What is a flowchart? A flowchart or a flow diagram is a graphical representation of the algorithm process. The algorithm which you write for solving any problem. Okay, suppose you are writing any program, and for writing that program you have to write an algorithm, and for that algorithm you have to draw a flowchart. So that's why a flowchart is a flow diagram, that is a graphical representation of the algorithm process. You can say the simplest way to represent the solution to a problem is by using a flowchart. And a flowchart uses a set of basic symbols to represent various functions and shows the sequence and interconnection of functions with lines and arrows. Understood? You can connect one function to another functions. Okay, you can use some basic symbols to represent various functions to connect all the functions in a sequence, and you can show the interconnection of functions with arrows or with some lines. Last point, you can see in a flow chart, each type of task in a program is represented by a symbol. So you have to use some types of symbols to represent various functions in a flowchart. Okay, let us learn how to construct a flowchart. So flowcharts typically utilize specialized symbols, and some of the main symbols that are used to construct flowcharts are given below. First one is a start symbol, second one is input or output symbol, third one is process symbol, fourth one is decision or test condition, fifth one is flow lines, and sixth one is connectors. So let us discuss all the symbols so that you can construct a flowchart. You can see, children, all the symbols are available here. Okay, you can see there are many types of different types of symbols. This is the start or end symbol. This is the process symbol. This is the decision symbol. Okay, so let us read one by one. Okay, so first symbol which you can see here, it is the start or end symbol. This first symbol is a start or end symbol. It is an oval represent. It is an oval shaped symbol which represents a start or end point. Okay, so whenever you start writing the algorithm, you should use this type of symbol. Then you can see this symbol. It is in the shape of a parallelogram. It is input or output symbol. Whenever you have to input some number in your program, or whenever you want to print some statement or some output in your program, you have to use this symbol. This rectangular symbol, it is known as process symbol. A rectangle represents a process. Suppose you want to add two numbers, so that process, you have to represent that process in this symbol. Okay. Next one is the decision or test symbol. These symbols are given in your book also. The last symbol is decision or test condition. Okay, it is a diamond shaped symbol which indicates a decision. And this symbol is used when the condition of true or false arises. The question to be answered or the decision to be made is written inside the diamond, which is known as a decision symbol. Okay. So if you want to check any condition, whether the condition is true or not, you have to use this type of diamond shaped symbol. And if the condition is true, you can run the following, you can print the following statement, or you can run the following program. And if the condition is not satisfying, you can end the program, you can stop the program. In this way you have to use decision condition. Now the one you can see here, this is the arrow line. Okay, this is also known as flow lines, which is used to show the flow of your program. Means a line is a connector that shows the relationship between the representative shapes. These arrow lines can be used for making relation between two functions. These lines are used to show the flow of the diagram from one step to another. From one step to another. Okay. Now in your book, one is the connector is also there. Connectors. You can see the connector symbol. Okay, you have to make a circle and you can use arrow lines or you can use flow lines for connecting it to other functions. Okay, and these types of connectors are used to connect one part of the flowchart to another part. Okay, by using some arrow line, you can use these types of connectors. And there are many more symbols which you don't have to study in your chapter. Okay. Now coming to the next point. So you have understood about a start symbol, input and output symbol, process symbol, decision or test condition, flow lines and connectors. So the next point is the advantages of a flowchart. What are the advantages of a flowchart? The first advantage is communication. Flowcharts are the better way to communicate the logic of a system to everyone. So by the help of flowcharts, you can have a better communications in your program. You can understand the program quite well. Okay. Second advantage is effective analysis. With the help of a flowchart, problems can be analyzed in a more effective way. Okay. Third advantage is proper documentation. Flowcharts serve as a good program documentation which is needed for various purposes. Okay. Sometimes in the company, okay, sometimes it is required for proper documentation. When you are working in an organization, you have to do proper, you have to submit the report, okay, and you have to submit the proper documentation. So that is very important, and it serves as a good program documentation which is needed for various purposes. Next advantage, efficient coding. Flowcharts act as a guide or blueprint. It acts as a blueprint for system analysis and program development. Understood. Now, next advantage is proper debugging. It also helps in debugging the errors of the program. Okay, which it helps in debugging process. Now, last advantage, which is given in your book, is efficient program maintenance. Maintenance of a program becomes easy with the help of a flowchart. It helps the programmer to design more efficient programs. Okay. So this, you have understood these advantages. Now next topic is a program to find the area of a circle. So I will show you a program, how you can run a program in Java, and what I will do inside that program, I'm going to find the area of a circle in Java program. Okay, Java BlueJ. So let us see. and after that my topic will end. So let us see. First you have to open BlueJ. So you need to install BlueJ in your system. For running BlueJ, you have to install. You can visit on the website www.bluej.org and you can install BlueJ for your system. Wait for a few seconds, it will open. Yes, this type of window will open when you open BlueJ. Now you have to write a program. So for writing a program, before writing a program, you need to create a project. And after creating the project, you need to create a class. So let us start. Create a new project. Click on project, click on new project. You have to write the project name. I'm going to find the area of a circle. So I will write area. Okay, this my project name is area. Okay, click on OK. Now you have to create a class. So click on new class. Click on new class button. Now you have to write the class name. You can write circle area. Circle underscore area. Okay. Now click on OK. You can see here your class has been generated. Now you can click here, right click on it, click on open editor. Your Java editor will open and you can write Java codes in this editor. Okay, after writing the code, you have to compile it and run it. So there are many unnecessary or unwanted things which is already written here. You have to delete these things. Okay, better you will delete these things. These all are unnecessary things. So your program starts with public class circle area. This is your class name, circle area. Okay, then you will give a opening curly bracket. Then you can delete all these things. These are not necessary in your program. Then you have to write the main function, public static void main. Then you can give inside this small bracket, you have to write public static void main string args capital S. When you will write a string, you have to write with capital S. Okay, string args, then big bracket, opening big bracket and closing big bracket. Okay, this is the main function of Java, and each and every program of Java starts running from the main function. Okay, then you have to take some variable of the type double r comma, you will take another variable pi comma another variable area. Okay, then you have to give the value r. You have to assign r with 5 because you have to find the area of a circle whose radius is 5. Okay, now you know the value of pi. What value you have to pi? You have to take the value of pi equals to 3.14. You have to take the value of pi equals to 3.14. Okay, now you need to calculate the area. You will write area equals to pi r square, means pi multiplied by r multiplied by r. Here you can see I have given asterisk sign. What I have given here? I have given asterisk sign. Do you know in computer programming there is no multiplication sign, so you can give multiplication sign with the help of asterisk sign. This asterisk denotes multiplication sign in computer programming language. Okay, So pi r square will give the area of the circle. Now you have to print the area of the circle. So write the command system dot out dot print ln. Okay, and print area of the circle equals to plus area. So this is the string. The same statement will be printed in the output screen, and here plus is the concatenation operator. It will concatenate this string and the value of area. So here the computer will find out the area of the circle. Okay, and this command will print the area, then give semicolon, because each and every statement of Java must be terminated by a semicolon. Now you have to compile it. Click on compile button, and at the bottom you can see here it is written class compiled, no syntax error. Okay, then you need to close this window. Now here you will right click here and click on void main string args. Click on OK to see the output. Now your output is displayed here. Area of the circle, it has found out. You can add centimeter square or meter square, whatever. It depends upon you. You can add that thing. Okay. So in this way, you can run a simple Java program, children. This is the program to find the area of a circle whose radius is 5 centimeter or it may be 5 meter. Okay. Now we have discussed the today's topic. So thanks for watching this video. Bye children.